for banana. Exa. Hive, banana is yellow. M for mango. Mango is sweet and yellow.
O for orange. Orange is round and orange in color.
G for grapes. Grapes are purple. S for strawberry. How? Strawberry is red and sweet.
W for watermelon. High. Green outside, red inside.
Yay! We learned fruits today. See you in the next fun video with Galaxy Kid.